Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an indicator script in TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, copy the Pine script code you want to use. If you downloaded it from a website or received it from someone, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open TradingView and log into your account. Open any chart, then click the Pine Editor tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll create and edit custom indicator scripts. Here, click on the arrow icon at the top and select Create. Inside, select Indicator and a new dialog box will open up. If there's already sample code in the editor, press Ctrl+A to select everything and delete it. Then paste your copied Pine script into the empty editor using Ctrl+V. After pasting the code, locate the Add to Chart button at the top and click on it. You can also save your indicator by clicking on the Save button and give your indicator a clear name. Once it's saved, click the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Search for the name of your script and access the script in the My Scripts section. Select your indicator and it will immediately appear on your chart. So that's basically how you can add an indicator script in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks!